Good morning, my dear students. Welcome in your online SST class. Today, we are going to learn about chapter number 13 on agriculture. All of you take out your book, open lesson 13, page number 64. This chapter. Ready, kids? Okay. Before starting the chapter, I want to ask one question. What is agriculture? Yes. Come on, tell me the fast. Okay, I will tell you. Agriculture is also called farming. And who work in farm? Farmers. Okay. Agriculture means cultivation of land to grow crops. Okay, what is agriculture? Agriculture means cultivation of land to grow crops. Understand? See the first paragraph. Agriculture or farming is very important for us. Okay, two-thirds of India's population depend on agriculture or farming. Agriculture provides food for people like pulses, wheat, okay, different types of grains, fodder for animals, and raw material for industries like sugar cane is raw material for sugar industries, cotton is raw material for cotton industries. Okay, our farmers grow variety of crops throughout the year. Why? Because we have fertile soil and good climate also to grow crops and good sufficient irrigation facilities. Okay, our farmers grow mainly two types of crops. How many types of crops? Two types. Look at the blackboard. Food crops and cash crops. All of you speak along with me. Food crops, cash crops. Okay. First we talk about the food crops. Food crops are grown to feed the people of the country. They are our staple food. ये हमारे क्या है? Staple food है, main diet है. And what are the examples of food crops? Paddy or rice, wheat, maize, millets, pulses are the main food crops of our country. Now see cash crops. Sugarcane and cash crops are grown for sale only. They provide raw materials for industries. Sugarcane, cotton, jute, tea and tea, coffee and rubber, spices, oil seed. These are examples of food crops. Understand? First we will talk about food crops. See your book, page number 65. First number is paddy or rice. Rice is the major food crop of India. India stands second to China in the production of rice. Okay, it grows well in hot and humid climate. Which type of climate? Hot and humid climate with plenty of rainfall. Okay, see the states. Okay, rice producing states: West Bengal, Assam, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Kerala are the major rice producing states. Rice is the staple food of the people of eastern and southern parts of India. Okay, eastern and southern parts. Eastern parts like Assam, northern eastern states, Assam, Meghalaya, okay, and southern Kerala, Tamil Nadu. Okay, next wheat. Wheat is the second most important food crop. It grows well in cool and wet climate. Which type of climate? Cool and wet climate. The main wheat producing states are Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat. Wheat is the staple food of north, it means your UP state is north, in North India and northwestern India like Punjab. Okay. Next, millets. Millets are also known as coarse grain. They include jowar, bajra and ragi. These are also types of crops. They are usually grown in those areas where rice and wheat cannot be grown. Okay. Millet producing states are Gujarat, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Madhya Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Okay. Next, pulses. Pulses include green gram, means moong, pigeon pea, arhar, black gram, urad and other dal also. Main pulses producing states are Uttar Pradesh, your state, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka, MP, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra and Rajasthan. And do you know, my kids, India is the world largest producer and consumer of pulses. Okay, our country India is the world largest producer and consumer of pulses. I hope all of you understand food crops. So tomorrow we will continue the same chapter. Our topic will be cash crops. Now it's time to homework. All of you learn food crops. Read chapter number 13 and learn food crops name with spelling. Understand? And search exercise A and do in book. Understand? So let's recall the chapter. Once again recall the chapter. What is agriculture? Agriculture means cultivation of land to grow crops. Agriculture is also called farming. Okay, our farmers grow two types of crops. How many types of crops? Two types of crops. Food crops, cash crops. Food crops examples: rice, wheat, pulses, maize and millets. Cash crops examples: sugarcane, cotton, jute, rubber, spices and oilseed. Understand? Okay, now it's time to leave. Thank you. Bye-bye.